Hello everyone, George here at EminiPicks.com. August 2nd in the afternoon. Just wanted to go over a little bit about the trading we did today. As you know, we started a charity trading, and I'm going to post a page on the website so you can follow that. But the trades I'm going to talk about is I did take a trade for the charity for 6 ticks this morning. It was profitable, but I like to keep both of them separate. So if I do trade the charity one and I add my positions to it, I'll consider it a EminiPicks trade. But if I just do it with the charity lot, I will consider it. I won't consider it an EminiPicks trade. We'll keep them separate. So these are the other 2 trades I took today. We'll go through them all. Basically here, a little after 9:30, we'll show you on point A, and then I went long. The market put me in long, and point B was another trade, was also to the long side, but I did get stopped out, and I'll run through each of these real quick. Basically, this is what we call here, anyone that's done any mentoring with me or seen my trading and gone through some of the training that I provide. Basically, this is the 3-bar squeeze we call here at EminiPicks, and it's very profitable. Happens all the time. Most of the time it works, and you just gotta make sure that your stop loss is your risk to reward ratio. It's usually a 1-to-1, maybe 1-to-2, but it depends what your tolerance is and how many ticks you want to take out of the market. We're looking at a 750 tick bar chart of the E-mini S&Ps, and basically, as you can tell here, we had some indecision here coming into this area here at 73 halves. And basically, this is 3 tick average bars. As you can tell, bullish, bearish, bullish. When I saw this 3rd bar forming, right away we put a 1 tick above here, buy stop, and 1 tick below here, sell stop. So basically what happens is no matter which way it goes, the market's going to bring you in. So you don't have to be biased. It's a blind trade, as I like to call them. So basically the market did come up. It did take us in. And we have a 5 tick exposure. So basically this is 3 tick. The sell stop that did not get triggered, that's actually our stop loss. So we got in here 74.25, and our stop is at 73. So basically 5 ticks, that's a stop loss. We're going for 6 ticks, and basically came back up, didn't get filled here. This is our target, did not get filled, did come back down, took about 1 tick of heat here, and then took some heat here, but 1 tick here, came back up. We got filled on the 2nd time around. So just to show you, that's the 6 tick profit that we took early morning for EminiPicks.com. Pretty popular trade that we take out here and setup that we look. I mean, there's other things that we look for, and the trade is actually a little more in detail. But it's just one setup that we look for when the market it doesn't have consistency and it's not trending and it doesn't know what's going on, indecision. So that was a 6 tick profit there. We'll come back to this trade here. Again, another variation of it, but much like the same indecision trade here. It's a squeeze trade, and basically you see these bar here. These are 1 handle bars, so 4 ticks. This was going on here, 3rd bar here, 4th bar here. Not the perfect setup, but I wasn't going to trade after 11 because I had an appointment. So I jumped in this trade here, and basically I had a 1 tick entry here going north, 1 tick entry below going south, and it just let the market take me in whichever way it wanted to go. It did do a head fake, so it brought me in here. It did bring me in, but then it right away on the next bar it did turn around and go the other way. So we did lose 6 ticks here because my stop was actually the other order down here. So it did take us out. So we were pretty much flat for the day. We had one profitable trade, one not so profitable trade. And we're flat for today. So I just basically wanted to show you what was going on. I wish I could have traded more in the afternoon, but I had an appointment, couldn't be around. But that's how it goes. We didn't lose any money on commissions, but that's a whole nother story. But so that's it. Profitable trade A here, unprofitable. Basically, how these work is based on market bias and indecision at the time, whether supply is going to come in, demand. Sometimes you do get head faked. One more conservative way of playing these is let the market take off. Like let's say if you didn't want to take these here because they're more risky, let the market take off in whatever direction, and then when it comes back and retraces, it might be a few bars later, but look, it came back and retraced. You could have jumped in here somewhere and then wrote it down. A little more conservative. Same way here. You wouldn't have got in one tick above. You would have waited. The market came up. It came back down and retraced. Right here, more conservative. You still would have got your 6 points. So there's many ways to play, and that's how I explain it. And depending if you're feeling good, you're feeling aggressive, looking what the market's doing, look at other indicators, if you will, volume and momentum and stuff like that. So that's how you can play them. You can be aggressive when you're sure, or you can be conservative when you're right on the edge. So EminiPicks.com. That's August 2nd, 2011 trading, flat for today. And we had one good trade, and we had one negative trade to come out even at the end of the day. So there'll be more trades tomorrow, and we'll make it up. So I hope you guys have a good day, profitable trading, and we'll see you tomorrow.